For years, I've searched for the lost beasts that escaped into the human world. Each beast leaves its mark upon the land it claims. Beyond the western mountains lives the lava beast, a creature of molten stone and endless fire. Wherever it rests, the earth cracks and rivers burn. High above the storm, racked peaks, rules the thunder beast. Lightning follows its path, and thunder echoes across the skies. In the frozen north dwells the mighty frozen beast. Entire valleys disappear beneath ice wherever its power spreads. And far beyond the ashland soars the legendary phoenix beast, guardian of flames, rebirth, and ancient power. But among all the beasts I must face, there is one that terrifies me the most, the Veil Beast. It leaves no footprints. It casts no shadow. It cannot be tracked across any map. The Veil Beast hides behind the desires, fears, and temptations within our own hearts. I must return the lost beasts to the Beast Kingdom.
Aurora secret.